doing? You weren't answering your phone. So if you are not down here in 5 seconds, I will destroy you, okay? And I mean 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, you can answer some questions without the usual level of sarcasm?
You can ask the questions without the usual level of stupid.
Did you get something better than handcuffs this time?
Yeah, much better.
12 seconds later. A few moments later. Meanwhile.
Part of me wants to ask. The other part says knowing will be more disturbing than anything I could ever imagine. So, I'm gonna walk away.
It's good. It's a wise choice, Coach.
Oh, no. I don't think so. What do the different colored strings mean?
They're just different stages of the investigation. So, like, green is solved, yellow is to be determined, blue is just pretty.
What does red mean?
Unsolved.
You only have red on the board.
Yes, I'm aware, thank you. Turning? Yeah. Turning. Into...
A unicorn. What do you think, dumbass?
You're an alpha, okay? You are the apex predator. Everyone wants you, you know? You're like the hot girl that every guy wants. The hot girl? You are the hottest girl. What? I'm the hot girl.
Yes, you are.
That's my face.
Canema?
Banshee.
God, really?
No, I know how it sounds, but basically it means that she can sense when someone's close to death.
She sense